morning, students. I hope you all are really enjoying your classes and learning something new every day. Is that so? Great. So now it's time we are going to begin with our today's classes. But before starting the class, I would just like to ask, are you all actually doing your everyday yoga and PT exercises? You should do that. Why? Because these exercises, the videos we are sharing is going to give you strength and increase flexibility in your body. आपकी बॉडी को मसल्स को स्ट्रेंथ मिलेगी और आपकी जो बॉडी की मसल्स हैं उनमें फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी आएगी, विद विच आपको फिर क्या होगा, व्हेनेवर यू विल प्ले यू विल नॉट गेट हर्ट, आपको चोट नहीं लगेगी क्योंकि आपकी एक तो जो मसल्स हैं वो स्ट्रॉन्ग होंगी और अगर वो कहीं पर खेलते खेलते आप गिर जाते हो या आपका हाथ मुड़ जाता है, इफ यू फॉल डाउन समवेयर यू विल नॉट गेट हर्ट. ओके, सो प्लीज be very regular with these exercises. You can do them once in the morning and you can also repeat it once in the evenings. Okay? Great. So now it's time. We are going to begin with our today's English class. So as we all know, today is Monday because you are having 2 days off, Saturday, Sunday. Yes? So today is Monday and today again we are going to write, we are again going to practice the formation of alphabet E. Yes, now you all have identified this letter. Very good. So we are going to practice writing E in our notebooks. Okay? Let us quickly revise what are these different pictures we have with letter E. Yes, class? Elbow. Now you will not say E. Elbow. E says elbow. Okay? Then engine. E. The sound is engine. Envelope. इसमें हम लेटर्स लिख के डालते हैं. Envelope. I. 1 eye, 2 eyes. Earth. We all live on earth. I told you. Then eraser. Ears. Elephant. Isn't it? So there are so many things with egg. One vegetable is also there. We call eggplant. Then we have egg, isn't it? So we have so many things now, and now you all have identified them. Let's practice writing this alphabet in notebook. Clear? In the previous class you have practiced doing in your book. So today you are going to do in the notebook. How you will do, I'll show you by doing in the notebook also. But first look here. सबसे पहले you can take multiple dots. आप जो first line में you will take multiple dots, okay? And then you will write like this. आप slowly सब dots को join करेंगे. First one standing line. What is the second step? You will draw first sleeping line. Then second sleeping line जो first से थोड़ी सी small होगी. And last one more sleeping line where 1 and 3 ये दोनों sleeping lines equal होंगे. Okay? So this is your formation of E. E says Say with me. E. E says elbow. Eyes. Ears. Elephant. Envelope. Engine. What goes? Engine. Yes. Engine. then egg. So let's see again. First you will make one standing line. You will only use these 3 lines. Okay. Uske niche nahi aana, that will be wrong. So first one standing line, then 1, 2, 3. Like this, 3 sleeping lines. This is how you are going to write alphabet E. E says A. Now, अब हमने क्या किया है? हमने थोड़ी सी dots कम करनी है. Like this and this. You will join. Then one like this. You will join. और अब हमने सिर्फ आपको end to end dots दी है, तो आपको बस end to end कैसे करेंगे? यहाँ से और नीचे one straight line, फिर यहाँ से और इस dot तक straight line, from here to here and from here to here. Understood? This is how you will practice your alphabet E in your notebook. And as we all know, E says A. Say with me. E says A. Clear? So let's see how to do this in notebook. Okay? Open your notebooks everyone then. So class, now let's see how to do in notebook. Can you all see this is 4-line patterns you have in notebook, where we have red line, then 2 blue lines and 1 more red line. Okay. Now what this red line says, the mark of stop. आपको इसके बाहर नहीं जाना है, and you will only come till this second blue line. इससे नीचे भी नहीं आना है. Okay. So let's start doing the work. How you will do? Don't forget to write date. Don't forget to write date. So today is 26th July 2021. Day is Monday and this is your classwork. Okay. Now let's see. You will first make any one picture. I have drawn 2. आप कोई भी one picture draw करेंगे and you will color it beautifully. And then we'll start writing. See how we will do that? Slowly you will join all these dots. First standing line, first sleeping line, second and third, like this. Clear? Let's do it once again. Standing line, first sleeping line, second sleeping line, third sleeping line. So like this you will draw standing and sleeping lines to make alphabet E in your notebook. Okay? And please hold your pencils like this nicely. Okay? Again, one standing line, sleeping, again and like this. Now I'll be writing with a different color to show you. See here, one standing line like this, one sleeping line, 2, 3. And this is how you will trace your alphabet E in your notebook. Is that clear to everyone? And please don't forget to write date and classwork in your notebook. Understood? So what you have to do? You have to write this alphabet E. Sound is A. And when you will revise it, always say E says A, egg, I. Okay?